Hello, this is Mob. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money on Tartle. You know. So before we start, I would like to tell you. I would like to tell you that it's a slow process, but you can earn from it just by answering some few questions, and then you start earning. So I'm going to first take you through the procedures. First of all, we are going to first okay, let's go and start again. Let's first go to home again and I'll show you how it's done. So this is the home page. You can choose the sellers or buyers. Now for this case we're going to choose sellers. So you sign in, log in. If you don't have an account, you create one. So it's done. So this is my account. This is the money I have, and to withdraw I have to have $5. So this is the money I've been receiving. I've been receiving cents, but slowly by slowly I've grown it. So, and to grow it faster, you can invite friends by sending them links, and then they pay you. That's another way of earning. So let's go home. So these are the questions. I press here, so you answer. First name, let me put that. Email address, just give them information about you. So here we are publishing it. So we have packet saved, so we have saved that one. Can go to another questions, can slide and search for questions. After answering, in 24 hours your money will be there on your account, and by the time you go there to check, it will be there. Okay, that's what I have for you.